Born for openness, crafted for comfort, ear-free design, a sound experience like none. As one of the top-selling clip on earbuds, HUAWEI FreeClip has now received a fresh update. In this video, let's take a closer look together. This generation's power-up case shifts from rounded shapes to a compact cube, smaller, lighter, yet more refined and travel-friendly. In terms of colors, among the three, I prefer this denim blue shade, striking at first glance, with a fabric-like texture that gives it a distinct denim vibe. Open the power-up case, and you will see the new cloud feel Seabridge, with liquid silicone on the outside and SMA memory alloy inside. Though the gap between the acoustic ball and comfort beam is smaller in Gen 2, the softer silicone Seabridge still ensures a snug fit without pinching, thanks to just the right tension. The last Gen model offers seamless feel, while this one is more compact. It's lighter than the previous model and still holds up well during intense workout. IP57 sweat and water resistance makes workouts and daily use a breeze. Battery life has jumped from 7 hours on the last model to 9. With the charging case, total battery hits 38 hours, and it supports fast and wireless power-up. Besides the look and build updates, what hardware upgrades and improvements were made in this model? First, the sound quality. From clear to pleasant, the previous FreeClip model as a flagship open-ear design ensured comfort and safety. But its low-end sound quality lags behind that of traditional in-ear models. HUAWEI has equipped this FreeClip 2 with an ultra-powerful dual-engine unit, boosting volume and enhancing bass significantly. With improved drivers and algorithms, bass is now punchier and bouncier, compensating for open-ear bass leakage. Moreover, the third generation in-house audio chip and NPU AI processor handle audio signals more efficiently, offers crisp audio and calls in all usage modes. Now, let's experience firsthand how the upgraded HUAWEI FreeClip 2 performs in sound quality.
轻轻抽出我的手，直到思念从此生根，华年从此停顿。
Compared to regular earphones, open-ear models in noisy settings won't be very loud and are hard to hear. Also, when wearing earphones for calls, there are some limits. In noisy settings, the person may struggle to hear what you're saying. First, how does HUAWEI tackle the issue of muffled sound in noisy settings? FreeClip 2 uses texture-based volume adapt to let earbuds dynamically detect ambient noise and adjust playback levels in real time. This feature is quite handy in our everyday lives as well. Even in varying settings, you don't need to tweak volume often to clearly hear what's playing in your earbuds. Quite handy. Not just for music, audiobooks, or calls, it boosts voice levels automatically based on what you're hearing and ambient noise levels. Ensures call and audio clarity. Just letting us hear clearly isn't enough. How will they hear what we say? FreeClip 2 features a triple mic noise cancelling setup paired with multi-channel DN algorithms, boosting call noise reduction 5-fold over the previous model. Now let's play the call recording from a noisy environment.
This is a call test in a quiet setting, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Can you hear me, folks? This is a call test in noisy setting, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Can everyone hear me?
Besides hardware upgrades, there are also enhancements to HarmonyOS AI features. Like the real-time translation feature in earbuds, just one pair per person, and it enables face-to-face, multilingual chats and simultaneous interpreting. It can turn chat logs into memos and generate notes. Now Black-Eye members can finally speak as one. Moreover, for flight updates, ride-hailing food, and parcel info, the smart announcement feature can condense and send key details to your earbuds via voice. For call-related announcements, you can nod or shake your head to pause or reject them, freeing your hands and boosting efficiency. All in all, the HUAWEI FreeClip 2 shows clear upgrades in sound and features, delivering a well-rounded boost while maintaining its comfortable open-ear design. If this is your first try at open-ear headphones, the FreeClip 2 offers all-day comfort and a great open listening experience. If you're a HUAWEI ecosystem user, these earbuds will offer enhanced smart features for you. Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the triple combo if you like it. See you next time. Goodbye.